electricity prices are coming down, are going up.
Home prices are going down.
Home prices are. Well, HIBOR's coming down.
Well, that's true.
That's true. So I think it's an offset in terms of the household bill, right? And what is that doing for the property market? Well, you have rich families. When you look at the housing prices at the very, very, very top of the segment here, they're being forced to sell their homes, to cut debts, and meet obligations as they grapple with really all the market volatility out there. Let's bring in Venus Feng, our Asia investing reporter, to tell us exactly what's going on with the very poor rich families out there.
Hi, David and Yvonne. So, yeah, we know that Hong Kong property has been in the downturns for several years, and then now, more recently, we are seeing the distress seen to a new level. For one of the most high-profile cases this week is Chan Peng-chi. He has a nickname here known as the King of Cassettes. That's how he makes his early fortunes, and he's a very experienced real estate investor as well. He was part of the center deal with Lei Ka-shing, taking up most of the force of skyscrapers in Hong Kong. But we saw this week that his Seaview Villa has been listed for sale in the markets by a bank because he defaulted in a loan.
Oh.
So, I mean, you've been covering a lot of these kind of mansion fire sales, right? I mean, how much do you think selling these homes help for them? What does this tell us?
So, yeah, to some extent, it kind of shows, because we heard a lot that Hong Kong's HIBOR has been plunging, and it's actually helping the sentiment in the residential side. So analysts would expect maybe if you're offloading a home, a luxury home, and a prime A office floors at the same time, it's actually you can sell faster for the residential side because your home would be maybe like help you to recruit cash faster because like we see stronger talents and population inflow from the talent schemes and also the investment migration schemes, and then but on the other side, the office and retail, we are still expecting the rent to jobs and vacancy rates to grow.
Tell us more about, I think it's interesting, the story of the King of Cassettes, right? So how big of a discount are we seeing in the luxury market? So how much are they needing, well, they're leaving on the table because they have to sell?
So yeah, because like actually he bought the home from the 1980s, and his family has been living in there. So apparently now that the home, he has to move out, and then because like the home need to be sold, so he bought at a very low price, and then but the asking price is lower than like the market level. So the market price is about is asking about 430 million Hong Kong dollars, about 50 million US dollars. And then he need to pay the debts about 330 million. So and that's like the kind of the price that they are looking for the buyers.